Hi, my name is Tamika Satchel, and I want to talk to you a little bit about class size reduction. Recently, the state of North Carolina passed a law that reduced the number of students that are able to be in classrooms K-3. The size went from 24 to approximately 19 students per class, leaving us with the question, does the number of students in a class impact student achievement? In this TedEd, we will take a look at three different scenarios. We will draw conclusions and listen to what the experts say about classroom size. So let's begin. Let's take a peek in some of the classrooms. Classroom A. This classroom has 23 students. They also have a half-day assistant that helps the students stay on task and transition to different activities. At the beginning of the year, 17 of these 23 students are reading significantly below grade level, according to M-class testing. The teacher spends most of their time giving whole group instruction and redirecting behaviors in the class. There is no small group instruction or differentiated instruction in this classroom. At the middle of the year assessment window, 17 of these students are still performing significantly below grade level. Classroom B. This class has 15 students in it. The teacher spends about 20 to 30 minutes during whole group instruction. They still have a half-day assistant who assists with monitoring behavior and transition to different stations in the classroom. In this classroom, there is a limited amount of time spent redirecting student behavior. There is small group and center work, but this small group and center work is not differentiated to meet students' needs. At the beginning of the year, 15 students are performing far below grade level, according to in-class assessments. By the middle of the year, 7 students are performing on grade level, and 8 are just below grade level, which is an improvement from significantly or far below grade level. In our last classroom, Classroom C, this class also has about 15 students and a half-day assistant. In this classroom, the teacher and instructional assistant receive focused professional development on how to deliver effective instruction. The teacher and the assistant have time to plan together. The teacher is able to see small groups, while the assistant also receives small groups. At the beginning of the year, 15 of the students are performing far below grade level, according to their in-class assessment. By the middle of the year assessment window, there are only 5 students performing below, which is an improvement from far below grade level, and the other 10 students are performing on grade level, as measured by the in-class test. So what does all this mean? A smaller classroom size reduces behavior. Establishing smaller classrooms will benefit some students. A smaller class size, along with professional development, has a greater impact on student achievement. In Classroom C, we saw that the teacher and the assistant were both able to meet with small groups, therefore, and had development on implementing effective instruction, therefore increasing student achievement. Let's take a look at what the experts say. Smaller classes are most beneficial in K-3 classes. All students benefited. All students benefit from smaller classrooms. Minority students benefit more from smaller classroom size than non-minority students by about 7 to 10 points. Higher gains for low achievers. Smaller classes produce greater teacher effectiveness. Increase, and we see an increase in student engagement, especially in the primary years. They also allow for more individual attention. Class size reductions aid achievement, but only when teachers modify instructional practices to take advantage of the small class size. In conclusion, class size reduction alone can have positive impact on student achievement. We also will see a greater impact when class size reduction is paired with professional development. We will see more student achievement. Thank you for taking the time to view this TED-Ed. I hope you found the information helpful and it will encourage you to research class size reduction policy.